In this video, we are going to see how we can receive the payment from the customers and how we can avail the discount on early settlement as well. As you can see here, on 27th of January, check received from Scott Anderson. Now, Scott Anderson is our customer from which we are receiving the money against the items that we have delivered to them. If we check the earlier transaction, on 26th of January, we have sold the garments to Scott Anderson against the order. And we have also offered them 2% discount if they settle early. Since they are so eager to receive that discount, they immediately paid within the next day and availed that 2% discount. So how we can incorporate all of this, let's see. First of all, let's go to this customers and sales section. And since we are receiving the money, let's click on receive money and receive money from customers. The customer name is Scott Anderson. And as you can see, discount is already mentioned. So if we click on both of these, it will show us the total receipt amount. But we are receiving only against this pending invoice and not the opening balance. Maybe they have planned to settle the opening balances later on. But right now they just want to avail this discount on this particular invoice. So if we click on pay, that should show up the amount due after the discount. Total invoice was 2120,000. Out of that, discount availed is 42,400. The total amount due now is 20,77,600. Let's check here. Yes, it's showing the correct figure. You can mention this in the description as well. The whole narration. Just copy it from here and paste right here. All the other references I'll mention. Again, we forgot to change the date. Let me just change it right here. But after that, just make sure that nothing is deselected like payment. As we click tab, you can see here, the payment is not selected now. So we have to select that again and paste the narration again. But that's not a problem. Receipt amount is shown here. Make sure everything is correct. The most important thing, since we have already done bad debt transaction in the past, still it is set to that. So we are receiving the money here and we are depositing it in Bank of America. You'll just directly select Bank of America here. And now click on the journal entry because we just want to confirm everything is fine before entering it in the system. So our debit amount is Bank of America. So we are receiving 20,77,600 in Bank of America, this amount after the discount. And the discount that we have offered to the customer will be treated as sales discount. That means it will be reduced from the income. And the invoice amount is 1,100, goes in the 1,100 ledger, and this is this amount. So all good. Click OK and save. So that's how we receive the payment from the customer along with the incorporation of discount that the customer availed. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.